Right, this is a response to Sharon's first set of questions. Her fourth question, saying, reflecting on previous discussion regarding bias in education, do you think it's biased for UW-Madison to continually accept more out-of-state and international students versus Wisconsin students? Kind of in my other responses, I kind of went on this Madison rant. Obviously, I love Madison. But I do think when it comes to the school that there's just this hierarchy, and, they're the state school, but I definitely think that it's a little bit biased. I think it's just kind of the reputation and perception that they're going for the school. One thing I know they pride themselves on is diversity, that they're one of the most diverse campuses. So obviously I don't know the ins and the outs of the school, but I wouldn't be surprised if the amount of students, they probably have a chunk of students, like we can accept so many international, so many out of state, and so many Wisconsin kids. I wouldn't be surprised if the out of state and international kids is a bigger sum than the Wisconsin kids. Again, I think, is it right? I don't know. I think that, it's a state school and that diversity obviously is a great thing. I'm all for diversity. But like, for instance, one of my friends, she applied to Madison, and another friend applied to Madison, and she got the same ACT score. They actually had the same curriculars. They were best friends, and she had a point less in a GPA, and she didn't get accepted. So it's just kind of funny. I mean, obviously there has to be a line drawn somewhere. But I wouldn't be surprised if there's that we can accept so many Wisconsin students because they prefer to accept international and out-of-state students for sure. So I do think that there's a little bit of bias in there for sure.